everyone! Welcome sa isa na namang exciting hiking adventure. Today, pupunta tayo sa isa sa pinaka-accessible pero sobrang rewarding na hike sa Luzon, ang Mount 387, located sa Caranglan, Nueva Ecija. Also known as the Chocolate Hills of the North, Mount 387 stands at around 387 meters above sea level. Kaya nga siya tinawag ng Mount 387. Perfect ito sa mga beginners pero don't underestimate it ha. It may be short, pero may parts na challenging, lalo na kapag tirik ang araw. Mount 387 is part of the Sierra Madre mountain range, and it's actually a protected area under the Talavera Watershed Forest Reserve. Ang cool dito, bukod sa trail at summit, makikita rin natin yung Aloha Falls, which is one of the highlights ng hike. Trivia lang guys, alam nyo ba na 387 hectares ang size ng buong area? Kaya rin siya tinawag na Mount 387. Cool no? This place is also rich in biodiversity. May mga nara trees, mahogany, and iba't ibang local flora and fauna. Kaya as much as possible, we follow the leave no trace principle. Huwag magkalat, bawal ang poaching, and always respect the environment. Yung trail nga pala natin today is around 4 to 5 kilometers one way. Depende kung isasama natin ng Aloha Falls sa itinerary natin. Pwedeng makaakyat ang summit in around 1.5 to 2 hours depending on our pace. Expect a mix of open trails and slight forested area. Marami tayong open grassline, sobrang scenic, pero mainit during midday. Kaya make sure na may super sun protection kayo. Cap, shade, sunblock, don't forget hydration, at least 2 liters of water. The trail is rolling at first, pero may parts na paakyat na medyo steep, lalo na pag malapit sa summit. But trust me, the views are worth it. Pagdating sa summit, ang ganda ng 360 view. Makikita natin ng Caraballo Mountain, parts of Nueva Vizcayas, and minsan kung malinaw ang langit pati ng Pantabangan Dam. Yung mga hills parang mini chocolate hills. Ang ganda nila, lalo na during early morning or golden hour. That's why Mount 387 is popular not just for hikers but also for photographs and content creators. Reminder lang, always stay hydrated, wear proper footwear, and listen to your guides. Kung may dalang trail food, make sure na hindi tayo magkalat. No picking of plants and avoid loud noises. Respect na lang natin sa mga kasama nating hikers. Lastly, enjoy the journey. Hindi to race, so take your time, take pictures, and most importantly, be present and appreciate the beauty around you. Ang trail natin ngayon is medyo challenging, pero carry lang. Unang part medyo chill, parang getting to know stage. Pero habang tumatagal, pa-steep ng pa-steep. Parang relasyon. Sa simula ay smooth sailing, pero pag tumagal, unti-unting pinapahirapan. So habang naglalakad tayo,